And this morning, let's focus on the Punjab Congress infighting. Nowhere near done. Disgruntled Navjot Singh Sidhu had met with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi last week in the national capital. And now Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh is likely to be meeting with party President Sonia Gandhi today. This comes amid the ongoing infighting between Amrinder and Sidhu, which has become a huge cause of concern for the party high command, particularly because assembly polls are slated to happen next year in the state.
The fierce Sardar versus Sardar battle in Punjab is giving Congress rank and file the jitters. Captain Amrinder Singh, the powerful chief minister, is facing an open rebellion from the party's new face, Navjot Singh Sidhu. And so far, the party's top brass appears clueless in its peace talks. The Gandhis, who denied Amrinder audience 2 weeks ago when he was in Delhi, have finally decided to meet him. Amrinder will be back in the capital to meet Congress President Sonia Gandhi. Sources tell India Today the meeting will give final shape to a truce formula to end the dissension in the Punjab unit. The meeting comes just a week after Sidhu's talks with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi in Delhi. The meetings were seen as a direct snub to Amrinder. But now, Sonia Gandhi's planned meeting with Amrinder has raised hopes of a ceasefire. The Congress is running out of time ahead of the elections next year and wants to end the strife as soon as possible.
समिति ने अपनी रिपोर्ट कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट को दे दी है। जुलाई के प्रथम सप्ताह तक 8-10 तारीख तक जो है कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट का निर्णय आ जाएगा।
Sidhu has been at loggerheads with Amrinder Singh over a series of issues, ranging from sacrilege of Guru Granth Sahib to police firing on protesters in 2016 to captain's alleged proximity to the Akalis. Peace between the two is key to Congress prospects in Punjab, which is just one of the 3 states where the party is in power on its own. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's take this across to Anand Patel. He is joining us live from Delhi with more details on exactly how the Congress camp is dealing with this infighting. Anand, in many conversations that we have had, the Congress, as you pointed out to us, said that the first week of July, we will resolve all problems. We've reached that time. And now we're seeing that perhaps Captain Amrinder could be meeting with Sonia Gandhi. Is there a truce on the cards, or have things only gotten more difficult now for the High Command?
Well, yes, Akshita, this Punjabi pot boiler in the Congress has reached its climax. You see, the timeline which was set by the party high command and central leadership was 8th to 10th of July, and we are very close to that timeline. So clearly, now with Captain Amrinder Singh called to Delhi and a meeting with Congress President Sonia Gandhi is scheduled. We are being told that the formula which has been prepared by the 3-member panel committee after meeting all the MLAs, ministers, MPs, including Navjot Singh Sidhu himself and twice Captain Amrinder Singh, that formula has been placed before the central leadership and will be discussed in the meeting which will take place today, most likely between Congress President and Amrinder Singh. Amrinder, remember, he has to fly to Delhi from Chandigarh. We are told that around 10 to 11 he'll be setting off for Delhi. And after that, the meeting will be held. So clearly, now the things are in place, and the central leadership will be confronting with all the complaints and all the arguments which have been put forth by his colleagues against him, and a solution will be discussed with him. Now, we are told that the sticking point remains that Navjot Singh Sidhu wants to be the chief of the state unit, and that will put him in a strong footing when the election campaign kicks off. Captain Amrinder Singh is ready to give him the chairman of campaign committee slot, but he's not agreeing to this. Now, this is what has been the sticking point. So it remains to be seen as to whether Congress President can manage to convince Captain Amrinder Singh in this meeting, and a truce is finalized so that the Congress party can head towards the assembly polls in a united manner.
All right, I will track the latest that comes in once that meeting happens also. Anand, thank you for joining us.